Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you something pretty cool, especially if you've ever been curious about private Instagram profiles and wanted a way to view them. So I came across this tool called Unlock Private, and honestly, it's kind of wild. It lets you see content from private accounts. No follow request needed. I've been testing it on my iPhone, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works, step by step. Let's start with the tool itself. Here it is on my phone. As you can see, it's designed specifically to view private Instagram accounts. And yes, it actually works. I'll show you with a real example. I've picked a private profile to test this on. Normally, when you land on it, you'd see a blank feed. Nothing there unless you're approved. But with Unlock Private, you can bypass that. First step, copy the username of the private profile you want to view. Once you've got that, open up the Unlock Private app, paste in the username, and hit the connect button. Give it a few seconds to work. It doesn't take long. Now let's head back to Instagram and refresh the page. And just like that, the account is unlocked. You can scroll through posts, view stories, everything. It's kind of insane how easy it is. If you want to try this yourself, let me show you how to get the app. Before downloading, there are a couple of quick settings to adjust to make sure it works properly. Go to Settings, then General, and make sure Background App Refresh is turned on. Then go into Battery Settings and turn off Low Power Mode. This just helps the tool run smoother in the background. Once that's done, open up your browser. I'm using Safari, and head over to apptweakers.com. This site has a bunch of modded apps and tools. Just search for Unlock Private in the search bar and tap on it. You'll see some info about the app. Tap the Start Injection button and give it a minute or two to install. If it's your first time using this website, there's usually one final step. A quick verification process based on your device. It's super simple, and there's even a short video guide to help you through it. Since I've already completed this, I can proceed without it. And that's it. Once you're done, the app should be ready to go. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Leave a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.